Welcome to CSUSB's Touch Panel tutorial. In this session, we'll demonstrate how to use a projector, camera presets, volume up and down, and even how to use our integrated silent alarm. Let's get started. When you walk into the classroom, you should see a podium with our touch panel interface. To interact with it, all you have to do is swivel the display upright. All you'll need to do on this page is press the logo. This will direct you to the system's home screen. When you activate the touch panel, you'll see the main interface. This screen is designed to give you quick access to core features and technical support help. Let's explore these options in more detail, starting with the inputs. Here, you'll see three options to select from. These include PC, laptop, and Air server. Selecting any of these options will highlight them in yellow. Selecting PC will display anything that shows up on your Podium's personal computer. Selecting laptop will display anything connected to the integrated HDMI cable found within the dock of the touch panel. And finally, Air server. This will allow you to cast any device to the projector wirelessly. To operate the projector, simply tap which input you'd like to display. This will allow you to turn the projector on or off using the video mute button. Let's move on to audio settings. If you need to adjust your audio, look towards the right side of your screen on the main menu. Here you'll find a volume box. Use the up arrow to turn the volume up and the down arrow to turn your volume down. Now, let's look at the silent alarm. This is the red button found on the bottom left of the screen. Clicking this will bring you to a new page that will ask you to confirm that you need to alarm the university police. And once you've finished class, please power down your system. This function is located on the bottom right of your screen. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our touch panel system. We hope this tutorial has prepared you to manage equipment and settings in your classroom and meeting spaces. If you have any further questions, please call X75060 for technical support. Our technical support team is always ready to assist. Until next time.